Running a small business? You're the CEO, marketer, accountant, and customer service, all in one. Oh, and you've still got to promote your brand? On a tight budget? Take a breath, because smart, free tools are out there, and they can make your marketing look seriously good. Start with Canva. Design posts, ads, flyers, all without a designer. Next, meet Buffer. Schedule all your social content days or weeks in advance. Email still works, and MailChimp gives you automation, templates, and subscriber tracking, even on the free plan. Now, track what's actually working. Google Analytics shows you what visitors are doing. Ubersuggest helps you find the right keywords, so you show up before your competitors. You don't need a big team or big budget, just the right tools and a little strategy. Marketing doesn't have to drain you. Use the tools. Get the results. Keep growing. Ready to grow without the guesswork? Start using MarketinGear's AIMAP today.